Zoho One is a comprehensive suite of applications designed to manage all aspects of your business from one platform. Here's how to get started. Sign up and log in. Visit Zoho One and sign up for an account. Choose a plan based on your business size. Log in to access the admin panel. Set up your organization. Add your company details, including name, logo, and domain. Invite team members by assigning them roles and departments. Explore apps. Zoho One offers over 40 integrated apps for CRM, HR, finance, marketing, and more. Choose the apps you need and configure them to suit your business processes. Centralize data. Import data from existing tools or manually enter client and employee information into Zoho apps like CRM and Books. Use Zoho Flow to connect apps for seamless data synchronization. Automate workflows. Automate tasks using blueprints and workflows to save time and reduce manual effort. Analyze and optimize. Use Zoho Analytics to check performance and gain insights. Adjust strategies based on data-driven recommendations.